back to Instabulls, everyone. So we had over a 200% breakout in the Instabulls gym today with KSCP from pre-market. I'm going to go over exactly how this one broke out today, what exactly gave us confirmation on this major breakout, and all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button, and I do welcome you to the Instabulls room in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over the 5-minute and the 1-minute chart with you guys here on KSCP. Again, we did mention them in the Instabulls room from pre-market, adding a new Fortune 500 company to their client list, having a major breakout because of that. We are, again, selling off from IPO, and then we did come back and we did turn around, broke into new highs. We had multiple breakouts here. I'm going to go over exactly what gave us confirmation on these breakouts. Now, before I get started, again, I do welcome you to the Instabulls room in the description below. I mentioned pre-market news before market open every single day. Any halts worth looking at throughout the day or any major breakout alerts, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, especially in the market that we're in right now, it's pretty nice to see some movers throughout the day. That's just my opinion. Now, jumping into the 5-minute with you guys on KSCP, again, we did mention them in pre-market on adding a new Fortune 500 company to their company. We had a lot of them that came in initially out the gate up to about 1150, and as you guys can see, we did consolidate and we were getting an increase in momentum in the market, and sure enough, we did continue on up with KSCP, breaking into new highs. And we did have a little bit of a pullback, but we were looking to see if we can continue because, again, we had the 20-day moving average still holding over the 50, showing us that we still could continue. Again, if you guys are a bull in the Instabulls room and you're looking for what exact stocks may continue or may not continue, you are looking at the 5-minute chart with the 20-day moving average still over the 50 to see if you can continue. And we are looking for that increase in buy pressure to get that momentum and to get that confirmation on momentum. As you guys can see out the gate, we had this increase in buy pressure, but as you guys can see, we got that confirmation on this increase in buy pressure, breaking above all of our previous buy pressure ones, having us the major confirmation on this breakout, which is exactly what gave us that confirmation over 15 as well. So we had multiple confirmations here. We had this continuation after the spike initially out the gate because we got that increase in buy pressure with the EMA lines crossing above and in front of the MACD. And as you guys can see, we did continue on down. We took profits probably at this time when the EMA lines did cross. Again, this is not financial advice. This is only what I was definitely doing. And as you guys can see, we did have a pullback and we were looking to see if we can have another breakout. We had more confirmation on the 20-day moving average crossing over the 50 with momentum versus with not momentum. As you guys can see, we had the EMA lines crossing back again in front of the MACD, getting that increase in buy pressure, breaking above all of our previous buy pressure ones, giving us that clear breakout here on KSCP. So again, that is exactly what gave us confirmation here on KSCP. I wanted to make sure I did make that clear, so that way if you are looking for which exact stocks are we looking to see if we can continue with, or which stocks are we not looking to see if we can continue with throughout the day, look at the 5-minute chart, look at the 20-day moving average over the 50, so that way you can know exactly which stocks to at least keep an eye on to get that increase in momentum. And of course, the news matters, and exactly how much volume we have at that point in time is very key. As you guys can see here on the volume, we did get this confirmation on this midday spike because of our increase in volume. Now, as you guys can see, just as I'm talking here, we actually got a large green candle here. Now, again, with that said, I care more than anybody you're going to ever meet to get these major breakouts in front of you. Go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert. That again, we mentioned pre-market news before market open, any halts worth looking at throughout the day, or any major breakout alerts worth looking at throughout the day. Even we mentioned Apple yesterday. We don't usually mention big cap stocks, but Apple was a decent breakout if you guys did play options. Now, all of you Instabulls that have been coming over and supporting the channel, all of you Instabulls that have been coming over from the room and supporting the channel, what an amazing breakout it was today. What an amazing play. What an amazing breakout. I hope you guys caught a piece of that. If you didn't, we will have more to come in the Instabulls room as always. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help with the refinement and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all. And I'll see you guys in the next video.